Okay, so what is different from this question from the ones that we've done before? Well, we know that the 2 needs to be regrouped and the 4 needs to be regrouped. Okay, so let's start by regrouping the 2. So we're going to take 110 and regroup it as 10 ones. So the 4 turns into a 3 because 4 minus 1. And we're adding 10 to the 2. So 10 ones plus 2 ones equals 12. Very good. Okay, let's see if we need to regroup anymore. So if I have 12 cookies, can I give away 7? Yeah. Okay. If I have 3 cookies, can I give away 6? No. So I need to regroup again. But this time I'm going to regroup the hundreds. So I'm going to take 100 or regroup 100 and regroup it to 10 tens. Okay, so 100 or 800s minus 100 equals 7. Good. Now I'm going to cross out this 3 and I'm going to add 10 to it. So 10 plus 3 equals, very good, 13. Okay, now let's subtract. This is just an easy peasy lemon squeezy subtraction question now. So let's start in the ones. 12. Oops, Miss Hollinger forgot to do something. I forgot to cross out the 2. 12 minus 7 equals 5. Very good. 13 minus 6 equals 7. And 7 minus 5 equals 2. Good work, grade 4s. Okay? Now I want you on your own to use the standard algorithm and regrouping to solve A, B, C, and D. Okay? Come back when you're done and check your answers. Okay, let's do A together. So remember, we start at the ones place value. So if I have 2 cookies, can I take away 9 cookies? No, so I need to regroup my 5. So I'm going to take 110 away. So 5 minus 1 is 4. And I'm going to regroup that 10 as 10 ones. So 10 plus 2 is 12. Okay, let's see if we're done regrouping. So we have 12 cookies. Can I take 9 away? Yeah. If I have 4 cookies, can I give 7 away? No. So I need to regroup again. So I'm going to regroup 100 as 10 tens. So I'm going to take 100 away. 6 minus 1 is 5. Okay, and I'm going to give that 100 to my tens place value. So what is 10 tens plus 4 tens? 14. Good. Don't forget to cross out that 4. Okay, now we are all done regrouping. So this is an easy peasy lemon squeezy question. So what is 12 minus 9? Good. 3. What is 14 minus 7? 7. And what is 5 minus 2? 3. You should have gotten 373. Okay, let's do B together. If I have 6, can I give 9 away? No. So I need to regroup. So my 3 turns into a 2 because 3 minus 1 is 2. And I'm regrouping that 110 as 10 ones. So 10 plus 6 is 16. Okay, let's see if I'm done regrouping. If I have 16 ones, can I give 9 away? Yep. If I have 2 tens, can I give 5 away? No, we got to regroup again. Okay, so let's regroup the hundreds. So I'm going to take 100s and regroup it as 10 tens. Okay, so 2 minus 1 is 1. I'm going to cross out that 2, and I'm going to add 10 to it. What is 10 plus 2? Good, 12. Good, now that we're all done regrouping, it's just an easy peasy question. So 16 minus 9 is 7. 12 minus 5 is 7. And 1 minus 0 is 1. So we should have gone 177. Okay? Let's do C together. C together, okay? If I have 0 cookies, can I give 6 away? Nope. So let's regroup. So the 4 turns into a 3 because we're taking 1 10 away and regrouping it as 10 ones. 0 plus 10 is 10. Oops, is 10. Very good. Okay, let's see if we're done regrouping. If I have 10 cookies, can I give 6 away? Yeah. If I have 3 cookies, can I give 6 away? Nope, so we got to regroup again. So let's regroup 100 as 10 tens. So we're going to take 100 away to be 8, and we're going to regroup these tens as 13, because 10 plus 3 is 13. Good. Okay, now that we're done regrouping, let's do this subtraction. So 10 minus 6 is 4. 13 minus 6 is 7. And 8 minus 5 is 3. Good. Okay, let's do our last question, boys and girls. All right, let's look at the ones. If I have 3 cookies, can I give 1 away? Yep, so that one doesn't need to be regrouped. If I have 2 cookies, can I give 4 away? No, that has to be regrouped. So we're going to regroup 100 as 10 tens, okay? So this becomes a 4 because 5 minus 1 is 4. And then we're regrouping the 2s. So we're giving 10 tens to the 2. So 10 tens plus 2 tens equals 12. Good. Let's see if we're done regrouping. Okay, so if we have 12 cookies, we can give 4 away. Check. Ooh, I think we need to regroup. If I have 4 cookies, can I give 6 away? I hope you're shaking your heads no at home. So we need to regroup one of the thousands and turn it into 10 hundreds, okay? So 1,000 or 4,000 minus 1,000 equals 3,000. 10 hundreds plus 4 hundreds equals 14 hundreds. Good. Okay, now an easy peasy lemon squeezy question. What is 3 minus 1? 2. What is 12 minus 4? 8. What is 14 minus 6? 8. And what is 3 minus 2? 1. Very good, grade 4s. Okay, I want you to go on Seesaw and complete the activity that says subtraction with regrouping part 2. Okay, so that is your assignment. Have fun, grade 4s.